Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. The Honorable Superior 1, Mr. Iwan Ridwan Yusuf, M.Pd, the Honorable Superior 2, and the Honorable Lecturer, Miss Astrianty Masud, S.Si, M.Pd. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Sherly Apriani Maulidia, student ID number 12320600071 from the Biology Education Study Program Future of Education and Teacher Training, Sunan Gunung Jati State Islamic University Bandung. On the occasion, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Development of Augmented Reality-Based Quarter Card Media to Improve Critical Thinking Ability on the Digestive System Material. The background, educational demands, critical thinking skill are an important competency of the 21st century because they help students analyze information, evaluation argument, and make evidence-based decisions. And fact, real conditions, student critical thinking skill in Indonesia remain relatively low. The 2022 PISA results showed Indonesians' science literacy score was only 300, 83 points, still below the OECD reference. Main problem, biology learning, especially the digestive system, still face obstacles because the use of conventional media is less interesting, that does not optimally recurrent thoughts. The root of the problem, the lack of interactive media, cause students to have this visually understanding abstract context and complex biology process. Problems Problem solution, augmented reality (AR) technology is capable of presenting 3D virtual object in a realistic and interactive manner, reliably investing student engagement and conceptual understanding. Research development it is necessary to develop AR-based quarter card media is a learning innovation to improve student conceptual understanding and critical thinking skill. Research focus improving students' critical thinking skill around AR-based quarter card media. Formulation the problem. One, hopefully the quarter card learning media based on augmented reality that was developed. Two, how practical is the quarter card learning media based on augmented reality in the biology learning process. Three, how effective in the augmented reality based quarter card learning media in improving student critical thinking skill. Four, how students respond to the use of augmented reality based quarter card learning media in biology learning. Research purpose one analysis the validity of the developed augmented reality-based quarter card learning media, analysis the practicality of augmented reality-based quarter card learning media in the biology learning process. Three, analysis the effective of augmented reality-based quarter card learning media in improving student critical thinking skill. And four, identifying student response to the use of augmented reality-based quarter card learning media and biology learning. Benefit of research and theoretical and practical. Theoretical, one develop a student on the use of augmented reality (AR) as an inferred learning media in biology education, adding to the literature regarding the use of digital-based quartet media in biology learning to infer student engagement and understanding of a concept to be referenced in develop critical thinking skill, assessment model through the use of impressive learning media, practical for teacher and educator is reference for using AR-based quartet learning to create agents, student critical learning. For high school students, help improve understanding of digestive system context, critical thinking skill, and learning motivation through AR-based learning media. For school, it serves as a confidence in developing technology-based learning, and for curriculum to serve as reference source for the development of AR-based learning media and future research relative to critical thinking skill. And result research and three and research students have slow that AR-based quartet card and valid and critical learning media. Also, students also followed an augmented reality technology and this finity improve student critical thinking skill and learning retention in educator. AR interactive quartet card have relief positive evaluation from expert teacher and student, making learning more interactive and enjoyable. And however, here is still limited research. The Speakily developed AR-based quartet card to improve student critical thinking skill on the topic of the human digestive system. Uh, Therefore, the student aims to fill that gap by developing an ER-based quartet card for digesting system learning. And thinking homework, this research followed the AD um, thinking framework. Now I will explain the thinking framework of this research. And the thinking framework, this research based from analysis of learning outcome of learning concept and student are explained to able to analyze the relationship between organ system in the human body, especially in biology learning. And from the learning come it then derive into learning object for the learning objects that the student will be understand and analyze and human digestive system, enduring organ structure and digestive process and factor that influence digestive health. And for learning object is future and indicator through the use of augmented reality-based quartet media, students are expected to able to and future, the development of student critical thinking skill is based on the technology as Robert at Anis. And focus, restoring, inference, quality, overview, the development stride of the quartet card media used on augmented reality, a problem inform student critical thinking skill, the difference system media with the AD, analysis, design, development, and implementation. And research method, apart mixed method, and which combine quality type and quantity type methodologies, method design and development. According Richard and Kane, design the research then use AD development model, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation, and population sample and research instrument, and population grade 12 high school student, sampling and purpose sampling, number of sample, the reliability test sample consistent of 10 student of 12 MIPA, while the implementation straight was carries out on class 12 one, totaling 20, 13 student. And research instructor and overview period to determine learning need and problem in the digestive system material and observation sheet, expert validation sheet, student research, questionnaire, and pretest and posters to measure to influence in student critical thinking skill before and after media. And data collection, main research method, and media validity Performance of validation result from material expert and media expert. Media practically perfect of student questionnaire response. Media effective and gain normality and participatory test. Student research perfect of student quality continuous respond and research progress and the research fall and ID development model which consists of five analysis design development implementation evaluation in the analysis right in the identity problem those and literature review and analysis learning outcome and the design right we design the AR based quartet card prepare the research instrument and the development is media quality validated and expert relief if necessary, and tested for reliability. In the implementation strike, the media is applied in the classroom using pre-test and post-test to make sure student critical thinking skill, along with collecting student response fairly in the evaluation strike data are analyzed to evaluation the effectiveness of the media and draw a conclusion. That's all a present of my research proposal and I delivered today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.